Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 19th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community linked down here in the corner. Don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. And also, don't forget that I do a live stream on YouTube every weekday at 6 p.m. GMT time. So anyways, on the pound yen, we are at the previous wave 4 structure. Because of the JPY basket, I think there's a really good, very good chance that this is going to continue the uptrend, possibly all the way up to the 78.6 fib to finish off what I think is probably a wave C of wave B. So if that's the case, this daily time frame probably will continue to make higher highs, higher lows. Doesn't mean that there could possibly not be a decent pullback. It just means that it should, on these higher time frames, continue to make the high low series. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up. I'm definitely looking for three-way pullbacks to go long. We already made one, two, three waves down this morning to a fib level. We'll have to see if this follows through because we do have a lot of dollar news coming out today. But boy, this thing could literally just be already ending a correction and already back up to the continuation of the uptrend. The trend is definitely your friend, and the trend does seem like it's up on the much higher time frames. The trend definitely seems like it's down on the JPY basket. So I personally would recommend being bullish on all the JPY pairs unless the JPY basket tells you otherwise. So definitely looking for logs in an uptrend at the end of three-way pullbacks and Fibonacci bounces. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.